Today we launched Jamaican ice cream, which is Devon House. I've rebranded the Devon House logo to fit into with that JPC modern look, and I'm very excited about it.
And everyone knows that Devon House ice cream is the best ice cream there is.
A Jamaican ice cream right here in Covent Garden. In a place like this where the young and hip people in London are always coming, it's good to have a Jamaican presence here, and the Jamaica Patty Company does just that. I think that what Teresa has done here in Covent Garden is excellent for brand Jamaica. And everybody knows that Devon House ice cream was recently declared among the 5 best ice creams in the world. So it is good to have one of the best ice creams in the world in London.